Hey, how's it going? Before we jump into the content, I just want to take a minute to thank you for stopping by the channel and checking out the content. If you like this content and you want to support more content like it, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. You can also check out the YouTube membership program and cybertrainingpro.com, where I put practice exams and other things that I couldn't put on YouTube. Again, regardless of how you support the channel and my content, I couldn't be more appreciative. Thank you so much, and let's get into the content. The application layer is where the software applications use the data. For example, to browse the web, you'll need a web browser like Google Chrome, or to read email, you might use Microsoft Outlook. The application layer doesn't refer to the specific application though. More so, it's about the code built into the operating system that enables network-aware applications. The APIs, or the application programming interfaces, are what programmers use to actually make their programs network-aware.